Morning, Toltec. Today, just getting started with some work. I've got a request from a client to make some thumbnails from some videos that I made. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that and show you my favorite way on how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Photoshop. Right. There we go. And then we're going to, let's see, I'm going to open the file, the video file. So what I've got here, I'm going to do this one at a time. I'm just going to drag the video file onto Photoshop here, and it should just open right up for me, which it did. Now, a couple different things you'll see different here in Photoshop is now we have a timeline, right? We can script through a timeline because it's a video. Okay, so all I'm going to do is go over to right where I have the scene that I want as my thumbnail. So I can scrub through the entire video if I want, something different. Just scrub over to where you want your thumbnail to be. File, save as. We're just going to save it as a JPEG here, and I'm actually just going to throw it on the desktop for now. Now, when we go and we open this up, I'll give you my other window here so you can see what's going on. Boom, there we go. That's the window I wanted. Let's move this. Over there, as I can still see my beautiful face. There we go. Okay. Oh, I put that. There we go. So now you can see here we've got our JPEG of the screenshot we want. Easy peasy, right? Let's do it again, just to make sure everybody's following with me. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to Photoshop. We're going to close this out. Save, no, I'm not going to save because it's an MP4. Now, all I'm going to do is go back into the folder with the videos, get the next video, drag and drop it over on top, and it's going to pull up. I'm not showing the folder. Why? Because there's a lot of things in there that are client's property and things like that, so it's easier just to not have to worry about that. So we're going to scrub through until we got, and that's where we want our thumbnail. File, save as, go change it to a JPEG, dump it on the desktop for now. Okay, and then we're going to open it up. And there she blows. Easy peasy. Okay, that's it. That's a tutorial for today. How to get a screenshot, a specific screenshot for a thumbnail for your video. You can upload that as your thumbnail. You can then go ahead and modify that if you want in Photoshop, but getting a thumbnail from a video, that's my favorite way to do it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon for notifications to see more tutorials. Thanks. See ya.